Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley K here. I know I've been gone for a minute, y'all. It's been a while. Okay, I know I've been gone for a long time. Okay, but welcome back, you guys. I've been so busy. There's so much stuff. There's finals going on, work. Y'all know how it is, but y'all ain't come here to hear me gripe about my life. Okay, y'all came here to get some money. Y'all came here to get paid, and I'm here to deliver. Okay, so yes, if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money. I specialize in videos on budgeting, most importantly though. Okay, and I also specialize in videos on lifestyle, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, we get you all the way together here, whether it's money, whether it's saving tips, whether it's budgeting, but also we are trying to get into lifestyle, YouTube tips and hacks on how to actually grow your channel. So if these are all things that you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You should have already subscribed to the channel. Okay, if you like money, you should subscribe to the channel. If you like getting paid, you should subscribe to the channel. Okay, so all of these things, you should subscribe to this channel because that's what we do over here. Okay, yes, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check me out on my social media. It will be somewhere linked in the screen, or it will also be down below in the description bar. And yeah, now that we got all that out of the way, let's get into the video for today. Okay, I'm always rhyming, so let's get to it. This is going to be a highly requested video that we are doing today. It is going to be international side hustles. Okay, this is for my college kids that are international, all my students that are living worldwide and are trying to find some side hustles to do. Okay, I got y'all in this video. These are all gonna be side hustles that you can do anywhere, any part of the world. These are all gonna be side hustles that you can definitely check out to make you some extra cash, because I know right now we a little bit broke, but we can't even speak. Okay, because I know my US people got that little stimmy. Okay, I hope y'all didn't spend it all in one place. I hope some of y'all budgeted and saved. Okay, I hope you saw me when you got your stimmy check in the mail or your stimmy check in that bank account. Okay, y'all, and you was like, okay, I'm gonna save a little bit and then ball out a little bit. So I hope y'all saved a little something, because the government don't give out free money all the time. Okay, y'all, so just letting y'all know. Okay, but anyways, yes, so this is definitely going to be a international side hustle video. So let's get into the first tip that I want to talk about. So the first website that I actually want to get into is called earnably.com. Okay, you guys, everything will be linked in the screen here, and it will also be linked in the description bar. So if you missed it in the video, check the description bar. But yes, it's called earnably.com. Okay, you guys, this is the website that I want to first talk about. And what Earnably does is it basically pays you to watch YouTube videos. I know, y'all, sounds crazy, but it's actually a thing. Earnably is actually paying us to watch YouTube videos or any social media videos, and you're basically getting paid just to sit there and do nothing. So first things first, let's get all the requirements out of the way, you guys. It is absolutely free to sign up, so you do not need to pay any startup fee. You do not need to shell out any money right away. It's absolutely free to sign up, and you have to be over the age 18 years or older. Okay, you guys, you have to be 18 years or older just for legalities. They want you to be of the age of 18 years or up. So definitely put on your listening ears if you are in that age bracket. And even if you aren't, they actually do have a separate section for people that are not above the age of 18. You have to get consent from a parent or a guardian, but nonetheless, if you are 18 years or up, then you'll be fine. If you're not, they do work with you, and they have an option that or older, then they will work with you with the parent getting a consent from a parent or legal guardian. So like I said in the beginning of the video, you guys, this is worldwide. Okay, so anybody around the world can sign up for it, and do have a specific section that shows the exact countries that Earnably is working with. So I would definitely link all that information down below so you guys can go ahead and check if your country is on that list. But it does state that they do have a lot of different countries on their list. Now let's get into how this works. Okay, you guys, so once you guys are watching the videos and you sign up, you have your membership going and everything is fine, you are going to start earning points for every video that you watch. So I have actually tested this out myself, and I have been watching videos myself as well too, and I have earning a decent amount of points per video that you watch. So it definitely does check out, you guys. So basically you watch the video, and after every video you gain some points, and once you gain enough points, payments, you can start redeeming those for free gift cards and free options. So basically what Earnably, it's increasing people's watch time with YouTube by getting you to watch videos on the back end. So this is a really great way to like watch videos. I think one of the videos that I watched was like Your Mind Still, like a music video and stuff. So a lot of these things are like music videos for different artists, or like little videos that are being shown, and they're not really long. Like the video that they had me watch, or a few videos that they had me watch, was about 3 minutes in total. So I mean, you guys, and I was sitting there doing absolutely nothing. So this is really easy. This is gonna go into my passive income, because literally you're not doing anything. You can literally have it running in the background on your computer or your iPad or what have you. If you have some time and you're just sitting down and chilling, you can literally have this running in the background, and all you're doing is earning points for free stuff. So I think this is a really cool tactic that they're doing on Earnably. You guys should definitely check this out, because you know how I always say, things like these don't last long. So let's talk about the gift cards that they are offering. Okay, y'all. So basically, I was seeing Xbox gift cards being offered, Best Buy, Starbucks, and also Amazon gift cards are being offered as well too. And another thing that I thought was really cool is that they pay through PayPal. So y'all already know, if you've been on my channel before, PayPal is a really big thing. A lot of these websites use PayPal to be able to send you payments. PayPal is absolutely free. It connects to your bank account. You sign up, you put in all your information, and you can connect your bank account to PayPal, and that's how you would get paid. So this a little spiel for my people that don't know about PayPal. That's basically what it is, and this website pays through PayPal. It's absolutely free everywhere in the world, you guys, so you definitely should sign up for PayPal anyways. So yeah, with that being said, you guys, you can also get paid through PayPal. So once you earn a certain amount of threshold of points, you can actually redeem it through PayPal. So I thought that was really cool. You can redeem that for some cash. I mean, hello, you guys, the list goes on and on. Whether you want to spend it on a gift card or use your PayPal, they have that option on this website, which I think is really, really nice. You're not restricted to just gift cards. So definitely check this out, you guys. It didn't really ask me anything crazy, just basic generic questions, y'all, like that everybody asks, and you're good to basically go. So definitely check out Earnably. There will be more information in the description bar, you guys. So definitely check this out. And if you like the tips that I'm giving so far, give this video a thumbs up, okay, y'all? And yes, stay to the end, because I have a lot more juicy websites to talk about. So let's get into the next one. The next website is almost pretty similar to this one, but this one is actually paying you to listen to music. Okay, y'all, if y'all are unfamiliar about websites or apps that are paying you to listen to music, I have a video talking about another app called Current Music app that will be linked above, doing the same exact thing, paying you to listen to music. So there's actually apps and websites out here that are paying you to do this, you guys. It is real. Okay, so the next website we are talking about is called Relocalized.com. So basically, you as the user is getting paid to listen or transcribe music. Okay, and when I say transcribe, they're using the transcribing for things like lyrics. So you know how when you have Apple Music, and then you want to go to the lyrics and you want to listen to the lyrics, and you're seeing all the lyrics come up so you're able to sing along with the song. That's what Relocalized specializes in. So they basically specialize in transcribing the music, making sure they get the lyrics correct. So that's where you will come in, you guys. Either you'll be chosen to listen to music, or you'll be chosen to transcribe. So the great thing about this app, which is a lot different from a lot of these music apps, is you do not need followers or any type of social media following to be able to do this. It's absolutely free to sign up. It is worldwide, you guys. So anybody around the world can sign up for this, you guys. So, and you do not need followers. Do not base it on followers at all. Anyone can sign up for this. You don't have to have social media connected to it at all. And the payments are up to $20 to $27 per song. Okay, you guys. So once you get it right, you are doing what you're supposed to do. You can earn upwards to $20 to $27 per song. Okay, you guys. So it will go up, but that is the threshold, $20 to $27 for listening to music that you will be doing anyway. Okay, y'all. I think that is really, really dope that they're paying us to actually be doing stuff like this. You also don't need any other apps to do this. You don't need any other attachments to do this, or any download any equipment to do this. All you need is your phone or your computer, and to sign up with the membership with them, and that's basically all you need to start. So basically what will happen is you guys will sign up. Once you sign up, you need to wait to be invited to sign up. Okay, so basically when you put in all your information, they will send you an invitation link to invite you to the side to transcribe and listen to the music. Okay, y'all, so once you sign up, if you don't hear anything, that's fine. Make sure you check your email. In a bit, they will email you an invitation link, and that's how you get started with the music side of things. And then the last step, once you do get that invitation link, you just basically start listening to music and you're good to go. Okay, y'all, so it's 3 simple steps, really easy, really quick. All you have to do is, you can do this a few times a day when you're chilling, when you're at home on your days off, when you in between classes and you're doing absolutely nothing just to earn a little extra money in your pocket. I mean, y'all, we like all money, okay, over here. So this is a great passive way to earn income, and it may even be music that you actually would be listening to anyways. So why not do this and get paid for songs that you actually like listening to? I mean, hello, we don't do things for free no more, y'all. Okay, we doing things to make some money in the pocket. Okay, so definitely check out relocalized.com, and like I said, y'all, it will be linked in the description bar. So the next and final website that I actually want to talk about, this is actually something a little bit different that I wanted to talk about, but it's really cool, and I wanted you guys to check this out before it blows up. Okay, y'all, because I really think this is a little hidden gem, and y'all know I always save the hidden gems to the last. Okay, I really think you can make some serious upward to thousands of dollars with this type of tips. You definitely want to put on your listening ears right now, because I'm about to drop a gem. Okay, y'all, so the website I am talking about is called squadhelp.com. Okay, y'all, squadhelp.com will be here and down there. Okay, so squadhelp.com is basically paying us to come up with company names and logos and catchphrases, okay, and taglines. That's all you basically have to do. You have to come up with like different types of names for companies, different types of names for taglines, and then basically they're paying us to do that. So Squad Help is basically taking these names of companies or whatever you can come up with, and they're using it for future people's websites and stuff, for future names of future companies that people might pick in the long run. Okay, y'all, so I know if you have ever thought about starting a business and you wanted to like create a free type of business name or a free type of logo, you probably went on Google and looked it up and found like these little free websites that do like free 5-minute logos, and you just put in information and it comes up with a cheap logo. So that's basically what Squad Help does. Okay, the websites that are behind that is Squad Help. Okay, so basically what they're doing is they just come up with names and stuff, and then you somehow buy the domain for this name, and then that's how you start your company. Okay, y'all, but we are going to be coming up with the names and getting paid for us and getting paid by other people to do so. It's really cool, and actually there's an actual market, okay, for domain selling, for selling domain names. If you guys don't know what a domain name is, it's a name of a company or a website. So like target.com or bestbuy.com, those are all domain names. Okay, y'all, so that's basically what a domain is, and this is actually a very lucrative business to get into. Okay, y'all, like there's a lot of people that have been buying domains and reselling them for double, triple the amount of prices that they usually sell it for. Okay, y'all, if that's something you are interested in, there's another tip for y'all. Okay, and you can do that worldwide as well too. So definitely look up selling domains and stuff like that, because that's definitely a really hot and kind of low-key business that a lot of people are getting into, and this is kind of similar to that. Okay, y'all, so basically what you would do is, if you're good with coming up with like random names for things and stuff like that, you definitely want to check this out. All you have to do is come up with the names, and then it basically asks you on Squad Help to come up with the name. Once you come up with the name, you need a tagline. So if you don't know what a tagline is, if you ever looked at like Nike, how they have just do it, how they have Subway that says how to, or have it your way, or something like that. Like the little quotations, or the little taglines and stuff that big people use for businesses. That's what a tagline is. The little kind of quirky little lines that you already associate the business with. That's what a tagline is. Okay, y'all. So basically, you would have to come up with a company name, just something random, whatever you can think of that sounds really good or you think sounds really good, and then you come up with a tagline. Once you do that, it's probably going to ask you to create a little design for your tagline or your logo, and that's very easy to do. They have like little filters that you can use. You can change around the colors, make it look nice, make it look professional, and that's basically all you do. You put it up for sale and then someone will buy it. Okay, y'all. So I think this is such a passive way to earn some income. You could literally just be sitting there designing random taglines and designing different logos and just basically having them go on sale. And it's a low risk business because you don't have to upfront any money. You're not putting any money into it to be able to sell. Okay, y'all. So I think that is really cool. Absolutely free to do and start up. Okay, y'all. And basically you can earn upwards to, there's a lot of people that have been earning upwards to 500 to almost 2K just off selling domain names, okay, and domain taglines and stuff. So like I said, this is a really hot gem. You guys definitely should look into doing this. Squad Help is a really good website to start with. It basically lays down everything for you. Okay, the simplest of simplest people can understand how to use it. Very easy to do. Y'all, if I find any more information on Squad Help, it will be linked down below as well too. Okay, y'all. So that's everything I have for my international side hustle video. Okay, y'all know I'm definitely gonna make this into a series, so I'm definitely gonna be looking at more and more side hustles to get into. Okay, y'all, it's 2021, summertime is coming. We need some bank because we trying to go on trips, we trying to go everywhere. Okay, y'all. Okay, wear your mask though, but yes, we are definitely on the move. Okay, it's sun is coming out, it's getting a little nicer, and everybody's trying to get on the move, and we trying to be on the move with money in our pocket. Okay, y'all. So yes, if you guys like videos like this, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if y'all have any other questions. Okay, y'all, everything will be linked in the description bar, like I have said the millionth time. And yes, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next